Hello, Paul here again from EMD Automotive at Canberra, Sydney. I've got this Porsche Macan that we're working on today. We're doing the brake pads on this car. The brake disc is still above and 33 mil. There, we put down 33 mil, so it's still above the actual minimum requirements for the actual for this car here, which is here. You can see it here. It's 32. So the next brake pads replacement, you can get the front disc done. Front disc replaced. I just want to show you, so this side here, we just finished cleaning the inside here, clean everything there, and then clean everything outside here. So inside there, all clean. You see that? Try our best to clean everything on the brake pads because there's a lot of dust here, so a lot of time is spent on cleaning the actual, just the brake caliper itself. Let's compare this side to the other side. See how dirty this side is? Look at that. Now you know what I mean. So we don't just replace your brake pads, we have to clean your brake caliper properly and take all the dust out, otherwise you're gonna put those dust back into the actual new brake pads. So alright, let's see the rear one. The rear one on this side here, it's already starting to wear, so you can see the wire there. So maybe 3 months from now we'll get the brake pads done on the rear ones. Alright, but for now we're just doing the front. Got these loaders here, we'll just take the exhaust out because the actual middle part was breaking up, the catalytic converter is breaking into pieces, but we'll go back to this Porsche. As you can see, all done. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.